Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I'll show you the proper way to detach your Nintendo Switch controllers so you don't break it too early. The Joy-Con management is super easy, so let's start. First, let's start by turning our Nintendo Switch to its back. On the back part, both of the Joy-Cons will have these small buttons on the top. These are not control buttons. These buttons are the locks that keep your Joy-Con controllers attached to your Switch. So if you press and hold on to these buttons, you can remove your Joy-Con. Let's remove my right Joy-Con this way. Press the button and slide it up to detach it. It's that easy. This will work for the other Joy-Con as well. Try it out. Now remember, if you try to forcefully remove your Joy-Cons without holding these buttons, you can permanently damage your controllers. So be very careful with this stuff. Now, let's just slide our Joy-Cons back into our Nintendo Switch and call it a day. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe to the channel if you want more Nintendo guidelines. I'll be sharing plenty more of these, including gaming tips.